Hey, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Guess what we got? Can you see that? See that big old long crack in my windshield? You own a Jeep, you get windshield cracks. This is a pretty big one. So we're heading in to get the new window done. They ordered it, and while the window was sitting on the bench, I had them install Exoshield. Did a little research, goods and bads. It's a film protective covering. However, with the UV in Arizona, we know how plastic holds out one summer and it's destroyed. No idea about the product. This isn't a product thing. This is did Exoshield work for me, or is it junk video? So I don't know what they're gonna let me film when I get there. Hopefully we'll get out, see the window before they install it. But that's what we're gonna do.
But I'll get
Right.
your way.
No, you're good. So here's the window. Exoshield is installed on the bench. If you look right here real close, you can see the edge of it. You can just see the edge of it. This is a Mopar windshield. The guys here are going to get us pulled in, installed, and then we are going to do the test. But just one more time, if you can see the edge of the shield just before the edge of the window. All right, let's let these guys get to work. All right, so I'm going to record this. The truck's pulled in the shop, and you can see this thing they stick on the window with the wires, and it's a new way I guess they do the windows. They put this wire, nylon wire, through the glass. He sticks this device and then he cranks it, and it keeps tightening up this nylon line, and it keeps tightening and tightening, and it's pulling through the actual window adhesive. They don't run a blade around it. They just crank this wire through. Windows out. The guys used the wire. Did a beautiful job. Looks amazing. And more to follow. Okay, notice the pins in the corners of the glass. There'll be a balloon in a second. Those pins locate the glass in the frame of the window. Okay, job's done picking up the Jeep. That's pretty dang clear. These guys did a great job, actually. And just FYI, when you get an OEM Mopar window, it has these plastic tabs glued to the back. So locating the window in the window frame is a no-brainer. You just insert those little plastic dowel pins in the hole, and the window perfectly centers itself in the window frame. And we're gonna change the windshield wipers. They said get new windshield wipers so you're not raking dirt across the screen. We'll go do that right now, and then we are gonna go ahead and start our test to see if Exoshield is worth it. Real quick before we get going, sorry as I fumble here. Here is a sheet. Well, let's try this. Instructions that they gave me. And then here is the other side. And then I got all kinds of warranty documentations and all kinds of other stuff. So we're gonna test it. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. But the way to go is order your window in advance. They install the shield where the window is flat on the bench, let it dry, and then they install it all at the same time. I think that was flawless. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.